Welcome to my maths class, 7th class, triangle and its properties, Pythagoras theorem. This theorem states that the square on the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the legs or sum of the squares of the other two sides. The square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let us take a right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle. It is the right angle. Let ABC is the right angle triangle, and this is called, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The square on hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. The other two sides are also known as legs, or we can generally say other two sides. Therefore, square on the hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to square sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and the other two angles, sum of the other two angles is equal to 90 degrees, because the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, and one angle in the right angled triangle is 90 degrees. Therefore, the sum of the other two angles is equal to 90 degrees. If one of the angle is equal to 45 degrees, the other is also equal to 45 degrees. Then the sides which are opposite to the equal angles are also equal. Then that triangle is an isosceles triangle. So that triangle is a right angled and also isosceles triangle, and that is called the right angled isosceles triangle. So in a right angled isosceles triangle, two angles are equal, each 45 degrees, and one is the right angle, and two sides which are other than hypotenuse are equal. Suppose in a right angle triangle, the two sides are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Then the third side or hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides, 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. 9 plus 16 25. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equal to 25. Hypotenuse is equal to square root of 25. Therefore, that is equal to 5. So, in a right angle triangle, the lengths of the legs are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Then the hypotenuse will be 5 centimeters. And these measures are, these numbers 3, 4 and 5 are called Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. There are some more Pythagorean triplets. In future we will come across the other Pythagorean triplets. In a Pythagorean triplets, sum of the squares of two lesser numbers is equal to square of the large number. We will take an example. In a right angled triangle, the right angle is at P. PQ is equal to 10 centimeters and PR is equal to 24 centimeters. Find QR. Let us draw a figure, rough figure. The right angle is at P. This is right angle, so let it be P. P, Q and R. Here PQ is equal to 10 centimeters and PR is equal to 24 centimeters. Therefore, QR, which is the hypotenuse. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So this is equal to 24 square 16, 2 square 4. Next 2 fours 8, 8 to 16. Put it leaving one digit in the right and add 6, 7, 5, 576 plus 100. This is equal to 676. 676 is QR is equal to square root of 676, that is equal to 26 centimeters. Therefore, 26 centimeters. Here 10, 24 and 26. 10, 24 and 26 are Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean